Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use Omni Coder and billion parameters for free locally on your Windows machine. As you can see, this model allows you to use Claude Opus 4.6, GPT 5.4 and Gemini 3.1 for free using Olama. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google. Open this website olama.com/download and download Olama from this link, download for Windows. After downloading Olama, you can get this icon right here after installing Olama. After that, we'll go here and paste this link. You can get it on the description, this link. Okay, Omni Coder and billion parameters. This Omni Code allows you to use Claude Opus 4.6, GPT 5.4, and Gemini 3.1. All of those models in one model. This one, Omni Coder. You can use it locally in your Windows machine or your Mac OS or Linux as you want. Okay, after that, let's choose the latest version, this one. We want to download it and use it locally using Olama. We have to click this CLI and go here, copy it. Okay, and go here to search button and search for command prompt. Command prompt, open it and paste this link from here and click enter, and the downloading of this model is begin. This should work after downloading Olama and installing. If you don't have Olama, it's not works. Okay, fine guys, our model Omni Coder billion parameters is done. Downloading and installing. Let's test it, send any message. Let's say hi. It's starting right now and it's this response. This model is used actually for code development, writing, debugging, reviews, architecture, documents, best practice. Okay, for us, we want to use it for coding using VS Code. Okay, let's close this. How to use this? You have to go here, Visual Studio Code. And after that, let's open a folder. Create any folder as you want. For example, G. Select this folder. All files are here. Okay, now let's go ahead to extension and download this extension. Okay, continue, hit install. Okay, start installing. Okay, now after installing this application or extension, you can get this icon. This extension allows you to use AI code agents for free locally in your Windows machine or Mac OS. Okay, let's go continue and go here at chat model provider, choose Olama, and for the model is auto detected. Hit connect. Now it's connected successfully with Olama. You can get all the models downloaded here. Okay, let's close the internet and test it. Okay, my internet is deconnected. Now let's go here and choose my model. Okay, where is my model? This one, Omni Coder. Choose one of them. And let's just for coding. Okay, create HTML, CSS, JavaScript website about the pros and cons of the S26 Ultra Samsung phone. Okay, begin by HTML. HTML file. Okay, start generating. Okay, as you can see, this is my index.html. Let's hit create file. As you can see, it's created. Let's go here to my Discord tab and go here to G. This is my index file. It's created. Now, let's create our style.css style. CSS. Okay, create file. Now it's created our style.css. Okay, let's move to the next one. Script.js. Okay, hit create file. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is our script.js style and our HTML file. Our website is created. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.